In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Preference Page Klaviyo. This is a straightforward setup that lets you customize how subscribers manage their preferences. Having a clear preference page can help you stay organized, improve deliverability, and give people control over what emails they receive. As you follow along, keep an eye on the menus and buttons on your screen so you can match each click. First, start by clicking Audience, then look for Growth Tools. This is where Klaviyo groups features that help you expand and manage your audience. When you click Audience, a set of options will appear. From there, select Growth Tools so you can reach the tools related to subscribe and preference pages. Take a moment here to confirm you are on the right section, because the next buttons depend on being inside the Growth Tools area. Next, you will click Customize Subscribe and Preferences pages. This option is specifically for designing and managing what subscribers see when they manage their email subscription choices. Once you select it, you should see settings related to pages that handle accounts and preferences. This step matters because it is where the customization begins, so you can tailor the page behavior to match what your business needs. After that, click Account Default Pages. This tells Klaviyo that you are working with the default pages for your account, which ensures the changes apply consistently across your setup. Look for the Account Default Pages option in the customization area. When you click it, Klaviyo should display a set of default page controls that you can adjust. If you are managing your entire account behavior, working with the default pages is the correct approach. Now you will click Preferences. This is the section where you can focus specifically on the preference page rather than other related pages. You should see a menu or panel dedicated to preference behavior, such as what users can choose and how the page is set up. This step matters because it focuses your edits on the correct page type. Then click Edit Page. This opens the editor, where you can make changes to the site content for your preference page. When you click Edit Page, the page editor should load and give you fields or controls to adjust. Spend a moment scanning what appears, since the editor can include options for layout, wording, or elements that show subscriber preferences. Make sure you understand you are editing the preference page and not a different page like a subscribe page. Finally, in the editor, you can edit your site and publish once done. Take your time with the changes so they match your preferences and brand. If there are sections you want to update, now is the time to do it. When you are satisfied with what you see, look for the Publish option and publish the page so the changes go live. Publishing is the key step because it is what makes your updated preference page available to subscribers. Once published, you can close the editor and return to the previous screen to verify everything is saved as expected. If your setup includes multiple environments or page versions, confirm that the version you edited is the one that is actually active. After that check, you are ready for subscribers to use the preference page normally. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.